Home Remedies presents. Use glycerin this way, your skin will look so young, tight, spotless and scar-free. Glycerin has been so popular because it has a range of amazing benefits that beauty junkies all over the world are rediscovering. In today's video, I have compiled on all the wonderful glycerin face routine packs and how to use glycerin on face. Cleansing. Glycerin is a great cleanser and it can take the place of the expensive chemical-based cleansers and solvents that you tend to use. For best results, you can mix 3 teaspoons of milk with a teaspoon of glycerin. Take a cotton ball and cleanse your face with it. Face mask. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Kaolin Clay, an excellent facial cleanser, is a mild yet very effective facial cleanser. Unlike soap, it does not foam up, but kaolin clay benefits your skin by gently sloughing away dull dead skin, absorbing impurities from your pores and leaving your skin feeling wonderfully soft. For best results, you can mix 2 teaspoons of kaolin clay with a teaspoon of glycerin and milk enough to make a smooth paste. Mix thoroughly to make a smooth paste. Now apply it evenly to your cleansed face and let it sit for 10 minutes. Once dry, rinse off your face. Moisturizing. Glycerin can help a great deal in locking moisture and keeping the skin soft. It is known to be a humectant that helps in slowing down the evaporation of water from your skin and keeping it hydrated. Moreover, it improves skin permeability and promotes cell growth. For best results, you can mix half teaspoon of vitamin E oil with a half teaspoon of glycerin and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix thoroughly to make a smooth paste. Massage onto your skin before going to bed and leave it on overnight. So guys, if you are looking for an inexpensive way to nourish your skin, then you must include glycerin in your skincare routine. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.